Because began again on the house of the great scholar. Welcome to our kingdom, sir.
What about you, Your Majesty, a kingdom where
King himself is a scholar. He is obviously
obviously prosperous in both wealth
and knowledge. Thank you, great scholar. May I request you to introduce yourself and say what your challenge is? Your Majesty, I am well versed in many languages like Kannada, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil,
Marathi, Gujarati.
etc. I can answer
Any question in any language. Are you ready to question me?
We do have scholars well versed in different languages. This should be very easy for my minister.
Yes, Your Majesty, scholars of Kannada are no less than well versed in different language. Can you suggest which language do we start?
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದಲೇ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಕೋಪವೆಂಬುದು ಪಾಪದ ನೆಲಗಟ್ಟು ಅಪಾರ ಸುಖ ಸರಿಯೆಂದು ಕೋಪವಿಗೆ ಪಾಪವನ್ನೆಂದು ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. One more question in ಕನ್ನಡ. ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನಾರು ಯುಕ್ತ ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಮುಂದಾಲೋಚನೆ. తెలుగులో ప్రశ్నిస్తాను ఉప్పు కప్పు రంగు లక్క పోలిండు చూడ రుచుల ఎడవేరు పురుషుల పుణ్య పురుషుల వేరు విశ్వదాభిరామ వేరవేమ.
Now I am going to ask you a question in Gujarati. पड़ी पड़ी पान पान की नई खटका तया बेचार वगर पान की उड़ी गई पंडित करो विचार.
મને આવડે છે આનો જવાબ રાસ છે.
आता मैं मराठीत विचारते एरे एरे पैसा तुला देतो पैसा.
अबे मैं बोलते बॉस अलग होता पैसा जाया होता.
इन देश के निवासी ने हिंदी में प्रश्न पूछो कल करे सो आज करे सो अब.
पल में प्रलय हो गई बहुरी करेगो कब.
செந்தமிழில் கேள்வி கேட்கலாமா?
கேட்கலாமே.
செல்வத்தில் செல்வம் செவி செல்வம்.
அச்செல்வம் செல்வத்திலெல்லாம் தலை.
Oh, great scholar, your fluency in all languages is commendable. Can you tell us what the challenge is now?
I'm glad that you people accepted that I'm a great scholar. Ha 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 ha.
Yes,